Hey, good morning, friends. Coming to you from the bathroom. Here's our cups that we had worked on, the tumbler, the turf tumblers. This one is the one that we painted green because it kind of got a little brown, and it had a bunch of little rough marks on it. I mean, rough places on it that the parsley was sticking up. So I sanded them down again after I put the quick coat counterculture epoxy on them. And this one is the one that we did in our video. It has the quick coat epoxy on it, and I put the numbers and the hash marks on them, which are, to me, the absolute hardest part because I struggle to get them straight. So I've got a couple of stickers. This one is going to be a water slide, and it's going to go on, we'll put it on this one, okay? It's a white water slide with that here. And then I have this one. It's a sticker, and it's cut out with my Cricut, print and cut with a Cricut, and it'll go here. So I'm going to get that all set up, and then we'll come back and we'll get started with the water slide first. Okay, hold on, be right back. Okay, hey, we're right here by the sink because we're in the bathroom. That's where, I have to have my little studios in the bathroom. I've got the white water slide. I've got some water in here in the sink, and I'm gonna put it in there. And I absolutely love water slides. Man, they're so easy to work with. And they look so good when you're when you put them on. So you just leave it till you see the edges kind of rolling up. I'll let you have a look at it. Hope you can see it. Sorry, I don't have a camera stand, little tripod. But I'm gonna get one. If I get a couple likes or people want to subscribe, or if they like my little channel, I'll buy one. Otherwise, I won't spend the money because I don't want to look at myself, So anyway, all right, she's ready, I think. Let's see. Just kind of got to move around a little bit. Once in the water, very carefully. All right, yep, I think she's ready, and I'm being sort of rough with her. All right, I have a water spray bottle, spray cup. Let's move this back around so you can see. Got a water slide, see? Just gonna kind of ease it off. It's already trying to get messed up. I sprayed it with, I think, 2 coats of the quick coat clear. Probably maybe should have sprayed it a little bit more, but I didn't really think about it. So you get it on there like this, like that. And you gotta smooth it out. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Can't figure out how to really turn this thing around, so sorry. So I'm gonna smooth it out. And leave it alone. And I'll come back and we'll put some more epoxy on this. Just not a thick coat, but a regular coat of probably the Stone Coat Counter epoxy, because I like them. It's good stuff. And there's the water slide one. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna let it dry completely before I put the epoxy on it. See, it's trying to roll up. Do that. There you are. Okay. I'm gonna pause this for a few minutes, and I'm gonna get the other one ready. This is the sticker for the other cup, and I'll be right back. Hey friends, okay, I'm back. Here's the other one. We're gonna put this sticker on it. It is a Cricut printable vinyl. I really don't like the Cricut vinyl. It's not that great, but it gets hung up in my printer. I don't know why. Probably because I had a crappy printer. But I made this little thing. So I saw someone else on one of them channels had made one. So anyway, I made myself one, and it's kind of handy. Kind of works nicely. I guess if I could do it like this, it might be better. So here's our sticker. It's kind of big. I use the print and cut. And use the bleed. Always makes me nervous. Doing anything with the print and cut. I usually just like to print my stuff out myself. Sorry, got it all up in the way. Like print it out and then cut it myself. Like maybe I probably should have done here. See, it's just wanting to give me a bunch of trouble. Story of my life. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to lay it down here so I can deal with it a little bit better. I sprayed it with this so that maybe the color won't run. Gosh knows I don't need that. Maybe I should have done a white water slide on this one too. This is a mess. It's all sticking to itself. This might be a fail. I've seen videos like that, not many. I don't think people post their fail videos. Can't really blame them. They're trying to look good. They want followers. They want people to think they did a good job. This right here is a look at this. Let's see if I can get it unwound. Maybe there's an easier way to do it. I just don't know it. That could be very possible. Which now I'm thinking it probably is. Like maybe the hinge method or some other stuff I've learned by watching videos. This right here, oh, just tore it. So, well, this is kind of funny, I think. That's a piece we don't even need. Causing the problem. Let's just kind of see what it's going to look like. If I ever get it on here. Pretty sure I'm going to have to reprint it because it's tore. That's okay. It's okay. I'm going to turn it this way because I can't see. It's okay. Won't be the first time I've reprinted something. I bet you guys have reprinted stuff. Yesterday I spent the whole damn day reprinting stuff. Trying to figure out water slides and such for some other cups. It was a pain in the butt. Kind of like this thing is right here. Hates me. Hates me. Hates me. That's okay. We're gonna get it. I mean, it's not staying because it looks horrible, but we're gonna get the gist of it. And if anybody sees this, please, please, please tell me better ideas in the comments. Better what you would do if you were me and stuff like that, because I'm just learning. If I can do, like if you can teach me something, I appreciate it. Because not everybody wants to do a tutorial or whatever. There's a lot of people out there that are very knowledgeable. So I don't know if you noticed, but I just went in the trash. It's okay. So, got this one done. I'm going to do now a print and cut water slide of that same decal. So, one pass, One fail. It's okay. It's okay. I'm okay with failing. It's called learning. So, I'll be back shortly. Be good. Okay, friends, I'm back after that big disaster with the sticker. So now I have a water slide. So it's a white water slide, and we're gonna try to make it work. Maybe it'll be better than that Cricut sticker. Should have known better. Never had much luck with those stickers. So anyway, I'm gonna put this in the water. I put this on it, and I also put plastic dip spray on it, which is great. I'll show it to you if I can find it. Oh, here it is. Plastic dip spray. You can get it on Amazon, or I found some at Walmart in the automotive department. I don't know why it was in the automotive department, but it was. So, yep, let me get my little thingy. Alright, we're going to be in business again. Oh, that's the wrong cup. I put it on the wrong cup. I'm just a train wreck today. Alright, we're going to put it on this cup. It looks like it's ready. Get my spray bottle. Here it is. Spray it down. And it's not wanting to act right too. It's okay. Got lots of patience today. Alright, see, I got it all right here. So, got that wet down here. So I'm gonna lay it down. I'm gonna just kind of start sliding it. I'm gonna have to pick it up to slide it because it's all different sizes here. Slide her on down. Being very careful not to tear it, because these water slides are super fragile. But putting the plastic dip on it really does help. It turns it into, like I said in an earlier video, I think, like wallpaper. And to me, that's magic. Because if you don't, and water slides can be a real pain in the butt. I nearly made this one too big. Me and my printer, we have issues as well. This makes it so tough that you can pick it up. I just had to pick it up because it had a little bump in it. So now I'm just going to be kind of smoothing it out. Getting it all in place. And I will kind of get the water out of it as best I can. And then I'm just going to let her dry. Let her sit. The directions say to put it in the oven. I don't know about that. I'm a little worried about putting my epoxy cup in the oven. So, I'm not going to do that. Not going to happen. So, we'll just let it dry naturally for a couple days and see what comes of it. But I think it's going to look very nice. And it was very easy. And so whenever, well, it was easy up until that sticker. That was just a bad, that was just hiccup. Just like a speed bump in this video. And we're over that speed bump, and now we're on a long trip down a smooth highway. And yeah. So I'll show you this, and then I will let you go. And when we get it all done, I'm going to put the stone coat epoxy on it in a day or so. Whenever it gets good and dry and all the water gets out of it, And I'll come back and show it to you, okay? Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Stay out of trouble. And back the blue. We're here for you. So I realized I didn't show you what it looked like. So this is what it looks like, the water slide, just the water slide on it. Kind of big. That's okay. Still looks cool. Look at the grass, turf, grass. Cool. All right. See you guys later. Bye.